Hey guys, I would like to show you the way to use this simulation. I know some of you have been having some issues about the activity. Let me show you the way you have to work on it, guys. You're gonna find this activity of simulations and conductors. It includes a video. You have to watch the video up the minute 5 with 37 seconds. After that, guys, you have to use the simulation. You click on it. I already have it opened. And check here, you got the questions. The first of the questions of the activity says explore, the point number one. And basically, it is telling you to get familiar with the simulation and have a little bit of fun with it. You can go to intro. Here you can construct different circuits like the one I'm just making. Uh, it's pretty simple, it's not so complicated. You can try with different components for the circuit. You just put them together. Please guys, check something. This one is on fire. Something that you have to realize is that you have to connect the components of the circuit in a way that the junctions between them are completely close and including all the elements of the circuit, like now. So the first point says make a circuit with 4 light bulbs and as many batteries you want to, guys. It's up to you. Be creative, guys. Don't make only one simple circuit. Make the circuit with different components. Over here, you're gonna find also a set of tools, guys, that you're gonna be using through the activity. You got here a dollar bill, a paper clip, a coin, and the other materials. And if you check, guys, here, you got those materials over here, right? The pen, the dog, the hand, the pencil, lead, and the others. So basically, use the sim to be able to complete the other part of the activity. Guys, have a good day. I hope you have been enjoying the activity. If you have any issue about the way to use the simulation, let me know. I'm going to be here to help you out. Have a great day.